Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about another new topic. Do you know what it is? It's heat exchangers. Welcome to our program today. Heroes of temperature, heat exchangers. Introduction. What if I told you there's a technology so fundamental that it's inside almost every device you use, yet 99% of people have never heard of it? Today, we're diving deep into the world of heat exchangers and the unsung heroes that keep our world running at the perfect temperature. What is a heat exchanger? A heat exchanger is basically a device that transfers thermal energy between two or more fluids at different temperatures. But here's the genius part: these fluids never actually mix. It's like having a conversation through a wall, but instead of words, you're exchanging heat. Global statistics of heat exchanger. Before we go further, let me blow your mind with some numbers. The global heat exchanger market is worth over $19 billion annually. Your car's radiator can transfer enough heat to warm a small house. Industrial heat exchangers can achieve 95% efficiency. That's better than most solar panels. The largest heat exchanger in the world is 40 stories tall and processes enough energy to power 100,000 homes. Types of heat exchangers. Let's break down the heat exchangers' main types. 1. Shell and tube. The classic. This is the grandparent of heat exchangers. Imagine a bunch of tubes running through a larger shell, like a bunch of straws in a bottle. One fluid flow through the tubes, other flows around them. Simple, reliable, and used everywhere from power plants to chemical factories. 2. Plate heat exchanger. The efficient one. Think of this as the molecular of heat exchangers. Multiple thin plates create channels for fluids to flow in alternating patterns. They're incredibly efficient and compact, perfect for when space is premium. 3. Finned tube. The surface maximizer. This is like giving your heat exchanger a mohawk. Those fins dramatically increase surface area, making heat transfer super efficient. You'll find these in car radiators and air conditioning systems. 4. Double pipe. The simple genius. One pipe inside another pipe. The inner pipe carries one fluid, the outer carries another. It's like Russian nesting dolls, but for temperature control. Where are they used? Plot twist. You've probably interacted with at least 20 heat exchangers today without realizing it. Everyday life. 1. Your refrigerator array, that coil on the back. Heat exchanger. 2. Your car's radiator array, keeping your engine from becoming a molten mess. 3. Air conditioning, both heating and cooling your space. 4. Your smartphone, yes, that tiny thing has thermal management. 5. Hot water heater, efficiency is everything. Industrial giants. 1. Power plants use heat exchangers the size of buildings. 2. Oil refineries have heat exchanger networks worth millions. 3. Chemical plants rely on them for precise temperature control. 4. Space missions use them to survive the harsh environment of space. Calculation and capacity. Time for some engineering magic. Don't worry, I'll make this painless. The fundamental equation is Q equals U. Multiplication. A. Multiplication. Delta TLM, where Q equals heat transfer rate, how much heat moves per second. U equals overall heat transfer coefficient, how good the materials are at conducting heat. A equals heat transfer area, bigger surface equals more transfer. Delta TLM equals log mean temperature difference, the average temperature difference. Let's say you have a car radiator. 1. Surface area, about 2 square meters. 2. Temperature difference, 48 degrees C. 3. With good design, it can dissipate 50,000 watts of heat. 4. That's enough to power 500 LED light bulbs. Heating and cooling efficiency. Here's something that will change how you think about energy. Modern heat exchangers can achieve 1. 85 to 95% thermal efficiency in industrial applications. 2. Some specialized units reach 98% efficiency. 3. Heat recovery systems can capture 80% of waste heat. Comparison chart. To put this in perspective, 1. Your car engine, 35% efficient. 2. Solar panels, 20% efficient. 3. Modern heat exchangers, 95% efficient. This efficiency translates to massive energy savings. Industrial heat recovery alone saves enough energy annually to power entire cities. Maintenance, now, keeping these thermal beasts running isn't just important, it's critical. The enemies: 1. Fouling, a buildup of deposits that act like thermal blankets. 2. Corrosion, literally eating away at efficiency. 3. Scaling, mineral deposits that block flow. 4. Vibration, can cause catastrophic failure. The solutions: regular cleaning with specialized techniques. 1. Chemical treatment to prevent corrosion. 2. Vibration analysis to catch problems early. 3. Thermal monitoring to track performance. Poor maintenance can reduce efficiency by 50% or more. That's like throwing money directly into a furnace. The hidden truth. But here's something that will absolutely blow your mind. If every heat exchanger on Earth stopped working right now: 1. Every car would overheat in minutes. 2. All air conditioning would fail. 3. Power plants would shut down. 4. Even your refrigerator would become a very expensive cabinet. We're talking about complete societal collapse in less than 24 hours. Heat exchangers aren't just important, they're the invisible foundation of modern civilization. And yet, most people don't even know they exist. Future and conclusion: the future of heat exchangers is even more exciting. 1. Nano-enhanced surfaces for ultra-high efficiency. 2. Smart heat exchangers that adapt in real time. 3. Micro-scale heat exchangers for electronics. 4. Space-based thermal management for Mars missions. So, the next time you sip that perfectly heated coffee, drive your car without it exploding, or enjoy your air-conditioned comfort, take a moment to appreciate the humble heat exchanger. They're not just transferring heat, they're transferring the very essence of comfort, safety, and progress in our modern world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends, it really helps us grow. Keep me in your prayers. See you in the next one, coming soon.